Brooklyn Center City Manager Reggie Edwards is temporarily suspending staff support for a police reform implementation committee after what he called a hostile work environment. Sarah Tamer reports on the moments that led up to that decision.
I would like to be acknowledged as the other people in the room are.
Tension was high during a Public Safety Implementation Committee meeting June 23rd.
It's my prerogative on who I call on, the order I call them in, and when I call on them. Okay? Now,
I'm not okay.
That's okay. You don't have to be okay with it.
The committee was formed after the police killing of Dante Wright in 2021. Its purpose is to come up with public safety strategies and review police departments' use of force. But at one point during last week's meeting, the focus shifted.
I will recognize you, but I will not recognize you simply when you want to be recognized.
Brooklyn Center staff member Latoya Turk expressed feeling unheard by Mayor Mike Elliott.
I will recognize Ms. Latoya. I'm sorry. I will do that. I'm simply allowing the committee to
That's not an inclusive practice, though, that you allow everyone else to speak before me. And I put my hand up and I asked for the chair to acknowledge so that I can speak. I think that my voice from the city perspective should be respected just as well as everyone else's. And we've exhausted 8 minutes on questions that I was trying to answer 8 minutes ago.
That was one of the interactions that led City Manager Reggie Edwards to temporarily suspend city staff from working on the committee. In a statement to the mayor and council members, Edwards said, quote, "I observed via video recording staff experiencing an extremely hostile work environment, belittling attitude, and public humiliation."
That is not what just happened. We will take it offline, but that is not what
We
just
will not
happened.
take this offline.
That is not what just happened.
Excuse me. You are recognized. You may please go ahead and speak.
We reached out to the mayor, city manager, and Turk for further comment, but didn't hear back before our deadline.
It's still my prerogative who I call on and when I call on them.
And that's the exact system that we're trying to dismantle.
In Brooklyn Center, Sarah Tamer, CCX News.
City Manager Reggie Edwards also said in a statement that he directed staff not to participate in any efforts on the committee until there is an opportunity for the City Council to help establish a structure that respects, values, and treats staff with dignity. Hennepin County is now offering COVID vaccines for people 6 months and older. A pediatric vaccine clinic was held at the Brookdale Library in Brooklyn Center on Thursday. Reporter Sonia Goins has more details on the efforts to get more people vaccinated.
It's been almost 2 weeks since federal regulators authorized COVID-19 vaccines for infants and preschoolers. Now Hennepin County wants to make sure those vaccines are readily available. Even before the clinic opened on Thursday, people were lined up to get their children vaccinated. One parent drove all the way from White Bear Lake to this location because Hennepin County is one of the few clinics that is also offering the Moderna vaccine for children 6 months to 5 years. Some parents say that they are glad to finally be able to get their kids vaccinated.
Well, it's important to provide as much protection for her as possible. The vaccine is safe and effective, and hopefully this means that we can get back to normal life sooner.
The vaccines are free and both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are available. Hennepin County officials say that the Brooklyn Center location is ideal because it's accessible by bus.
Well, we want everyone protected. We want everyone to get the vaccine who wants the vaccine. We are offering vaccine here for all ages, so we are really excited to finally be at this phase of the pandemic where we can give vaccines to the little kids.
The Brookdale location will offer vaccines on Thursday through August 25th. Appointments are encouraged, but walk-ins are okay. Sonia Goins, CCX News.
This is the hot, sweltering time of year when health officials keep a close eye on public beaches and water quality.
I'll take a sample right here, bring it back to the office, where it'll then go to the lab. It'll be tested for E. coli as well. We'll take temperature here at the beach to make sure that everything is safe for everyone to enjoy.
On Thursday, Hennepin County public health staff went to Weaver Lake Beach to test out the water quality. When E. coli bacteria levels exceed guidelines, the county recommends to the city a beach closure. An environmentalist told us one good rule of thumb is to stay out of the water after a heavy rain.
Typically we see a higher indication of E. coli in the water when there is heavy rainfall, so we do recommend not swimming at least 24 hours after heavy rainfall. If you are driving your boats, make sure you're disposing of your waste properly. We don't want that in the water.
Abdirahman says it's also a good idea not to drink any lake water. The City of Plymouth's annual Happy Birthday America Parade rolled on Thursday at the Hildy Performance Center. Photojournalist Adam Jacola was there to capture the spirit of the parade.
Happy birthday, America!
We are celebrating America's birthday.
Signed up for the Plymouth newsletter, so bringing the kids out, get them outside.
4th of July is right around the corner, so it's great to get in the mood of the holiday.
I like shooting off fireworks with my parents.
Honor the troops and policemen and just celebrate. Happy 4th of July!
We have families getting decorations for their bikes, trikes, and strollers.
And we get to decorate our bikes. I love it!
They gave us the tools to fit right in.
I put the flag in the pinwheel.
Every year, we've always had the Hamel VFW lead the parade, our honor guard, and that just makes it extra special.
Having fun, especially with our friends and our cousins.
I love Plymouth, I love my country, and I love my family.
Hello, fellow people.
Plymouth always has such fun stuff to do for the community. Some fun. See the teddy bear band.
Let's hear for the teddy bear.
Happy birthday, America.
Happy birthday, America!
Happy birthday, America.